Most trucks are built to conquer the road. The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor R was built for places where there isn't one. That's the difference. This isn't just an F-150 with a supercharged V8. It's Ford's ultimate interpretation of what a factory-built off-road truck can be, engineered to attack deserts, soak up brutal terrain, and keep asking for more. But here's the real question. Is the Raptor R genuinely in a league of its own? Or is it simply an incredibly expensive truck with an unforgettable engine? Let's find out. The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor R sits at the very top of Ford's performance truck lineup, powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 that produces an incredible 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers are undeniably impressive, but they don't tell the whole story. The Raptor R wasn't built for buyers looking for the most practical pickup or the best value. It was built for those who want an experience that few factory vehicles can deliver. Every drive feels like an event, whether it's blasting across open desert, tackling rugged trails, or simply hearing that supercharged V8 come to life. At first glance, the Raptor R makes one thing perfectly clear. This isn't just another full-size pickup. Every detail of its design serves a purpose, and that purpose is high-speed off-road performance. The massive black grille with bold Ford lettering immediately sets the tone, while the signature amber marker lights emphasize its wide stance. Flared fenders accommodate available 37-inch all-terrain tires, giving the truck an unmistakable presence before it even starts moving. Underneath, heavy-duty skid plates protect critical components. Functional hood and fender vents help manage heat, and the increased ground clearance allows the Raptor R to tackle terrain that would stop most trucks in their tracks. Compared with rivals like the Ram 1500 RO, Chevrolet Silverado ZR2, and GMC Sierra AT4X, each has its own rugged personality. The RHO leans toward a cleaner, more modern appearance, while the ZR2 and AT4X strike a balance between off-road capability and everyday utility. The Raptor R, however, takes a different approach. It looks less like a luxury pickup and more like a factory-built desert racing truck that's somehow legal to drive on public roads. If there's one reason to buy the Raptor R, it's this engine. Beneath the hood sits Ford's supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8, producing 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque, paired with a quick-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. Those numbers make it the most powerful factory-built off-road truck in its class, but what truly sets it apart can't be measured on a spec sheet. The moment the throttle is pressed, the supercharger responds with an intensity that's becoming increasingly rare. Power arrives instantly, building into a relentless wave of acceleration that never seems to run out. The exhaust doesn't just make noise, it announces the truck's presence with the deep, unmistakable soundtrack that only a supercharged V8 can deliver. For a truck weighing well over 6,000 pounds, the performance is genuinely shocking. A 0 to 60 mph time of around 3.6 seconds puts the Raptor R in territory once reserved for sports cars, while passing slower traffic requires little more than a slight movement of the right foot. Whether accelerating onto the highway or powering through loose terrain, there's always more performance waiting. Its closest competitors simply deliver a different experience. The Ram 1500 RHO offers 540 horsepower from a twin-turbo inline-six, while the Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 relies on a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 with 420 horsepower. Both are capable, but neither delivers the instant punch, relentless acceleration, or unmistakable character of Ford's supercharged Predator V8. And that's what makes this engine so addictive. It's not just the power, it's the emotion. Every startup, every acceleration, and every downshift serves as a reminder that engines like this are becoming increasingly rare. In a world moving towards smaller engines and electrification, the Raptor R delivers something few vehicles can still offer, an experience that feels as unforgettable as it is fast. As incredible as the engine is, it isn't what defines the Raptor R.
The real magic is hidden underneath.
Ford didn't build this truck around horsepower. It built it around suspension. Equipped with Fox dual live valve shocks, long travel suspension, and an advanced terrain management system featuring Baja mode, trail control, and trail turn assist, the Raptor R is engineered to stay composed where most trucks are forced to slow down. That's what makes it feel so different behind the wheel. Rough trails, deep ruts, and uneven terrain that would unsettle an ordinary pickup are absorbed with remarkable confidence. Instead of fighting the surface, the Raptor R seems to glide over it, maintaining stability even as speeds begin to climb. The faster the terrain gets, the more at home the truck feels. Its rivals are undeniably capable. The Ram 1500 RHO delivers impressive off-road performance, while the Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 excels on technical trails with its own unique strengths. Even the legendary Ram TRX set the benchmark for high-speed desert trucks. But the Raptor R takes that formula a step further, combining brutal V8 power with one of the most sophisticated suspension systems ever fitted to a production pickup. Step inside, and the Raptor R feels far more refined than its rugged exterior suggests. While it's built to tackle some of the toughest terrain imaginable, the cabin strikes an impressive balance between performance and everyday comfort. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen put everything within easy reach, offering crisp graphics, fast responses, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Exclusive Recaro front seats provide excellent support during aggressive driving without sacrificing long-distance comfort, while carbon fiber trim and signature blue accents remind everyone that this isn't an ordinary F-150. The available Bang & Olufsen sound system completes the experience with premium audio quality that matches the truck's premium price tag. Compared with its rivals, the Raptor R takes a unique approach. The Ram 1500 RHO leans further toward luxury with a more upscale SUV-like cabin, while the Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 keeps things simpler and more functional. The Raptor R sits comfortably in the middle, combining modern technology, premium materials, and unmistakable performance character without feeling overly complicated. It may not have the flashiest interior in the segment, but it doesn't need to. Everything feels solid, thoughtfully designed, and built with purpose. It's a cabin that perfectly reflects the truck itself, luxurious enough for everyday driving, yet always ready for the next adventure. Now comes the biggest question. Does the Raptor R actually justify its price? With a starting price of around $112,000, it's one of the most expensive factory-built pickup trucks on the market. That's roughly $40,000 more than a Ram 1500 RO or a Chevrolet Silverado ZR2, and still significantly higher than a GMC Sierra AT4X. On paper, that price difference is difficult to ignore. The Ram RO delivers impressive performance at a much lower cost, while the Silverado ZR2 and Sierra AT4X offer outstanding off-road capability without pushing into six-figure territory. But the Raptor R was never meant to compete on price. It competes on experience. None of its rivals combine a supercharged 720 horsepower V8, high-speed Baja-inspired suspension, and factory-backed engineering into one package. They may offer better value, but they don't offer the same level of excitement or the same sense of occasion every time the engine comes to life. So, is it worth paying $40,000 more? For someone simply looking for a capable off-road truck, probably not. The Ram RO and Silverado ZR2 deliver exceptional capability for considerably less money. But for buyers chasing the ultimate factory-built performance truck, one that feels just as thrilling to drive as it looks, the Raptor R occupies a category almost entirely of its own. In that context, the premium isn't just paying for more horsepower. It's paying for an experience that, at least for now, no competitor truly replicates. After spending time with the Raptor R, its biggest strengths become easy to understand. The supercharged V8 is nothing short of spectacular, delivering effortless power and one of the most exciting exhaust notes in any modern truck. The suspension is equally impressive, giving the Raptor R the confidence to tackle rough terrain at speeds that few production vehicles could match. Yet, despite its extreme capability, it never feels intimidating to drive. The cabin is comfortable, the technology is easy to use, and for such a specialized truck, it remains surprisingly civilized in everyday driving. Of course, those strengths come with compromises. Fuel economy is exactly what you'd expect from a 720 horsepower supercharged V8. It isn't a truck built to save money at the pump. Its massive size can also make parking garages, narrow streets, and tight parking spaces feel more challenging than they need to be. And then there's the price. Crossing the six-figure mark puts the Raptor R well beyond the reach of many buyers.
The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor R isn't the most practical truck. It isn't the most affordable, and it certainly isn't the most fuel efficient. But none of those things were ever its mission. This truck was built to deliver an experience, one that blends supercharged V8 power, world-class suspension. I feel like an event, whether the destination is a mountain trail or the daily commute. If the goal is to own the closest thing to a factory-built trophy truck, the Raptor R remains the benchmark. It's bold, unapologetic, and built for those who believe driving should be as exciting as the destination. What do you think? Is the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor R worth its premium price? Or would a Ram 1500 RHO or Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 be the smarter choice? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Car Today Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest in-depth automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.